This is an old Pontiac that I bought. I'm just doing a little bit of detail work on it. So this is what we call a granny bent. People live a lot longer now. 65, they're top shape. 75, they're still top shape. 80, 85, and you start having problems like that. So I'm going to see if I can make this look better today. I'm curious to see with some SOS pads if I can help it out a little bit. Maybe make it look better. So just let me work on that for a bit. The steel wool wasn't maybe a good idea because it would make deep grooves. It made the plastic look white. So I ended up buffing it. I have a good angle buffer like this. So that seemed to be the best idea. So that looks a lot better. I'm going to stick this in the sun so I can compare the section I've done to the other sections and wait a couple of days just to make sure I'm happy with the result before I do the whole car. And I've got some more rubbing on the side here, so I'm going to use the buffer for that too. And this type of rust drip, you can see on the handle, that's all going to disappear with the buffer. So all these black marks are gone, and also the rust from the door handle, that's all gone. And I can see my reflection in the paint, so pretty shiny. Yeah, I sure do enjoy working with the buffer. On the driver's side also, I have a little bit of rust by the end of the fender there, and I have some more black marks. I have to work on that. Now all that black stuff is gone, plus all this rust here is gone, so that's awesome. A lot of these white dots here is just paint that's been spilled, so I'm gonna work on that. That should all disappear, a lot of them anyways. And this rust here on the hood too, that's gonna get really attenuated by buffing. So I removed all this paint, plus a lot of the rust was attenuated. So this is my final result. I'm pretty pleased with that. So let me know what you think in the comments below.